In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to select where you want the line to be. So let's say I want a line over here, quite random, but it doesn't really matter. Then you want to go to the top here and you want to either click on here where it says add path, or you could just right click on any of your folders and then hover over add and click on path over here. So I'm going to click on path, and then from here you can give it a name. I'm just going to name this one line, and of course you can change the style and color over here as well. I'm gonna go and make it maybe like red over here, and I'm actually gonna change the width as well to make it like 2 over here, and the opacity is gonna be 100. Then here you have view, altitude, measurements, etc. I'm going to leave it like it is, and then you wanna of course kind of move this away and select where you want the line to be. So for example, I want the line over here. I'm gonna click here for the first click, and then I'm gonna go to the second point and click on here, and there we go. We now have a line. Now of course you could just click on OK over here, and it's going to create that specific line. You could also make a line which is like multiple lines at once. You could just go to path and just click multiple times, and it's going to create like a line over here, which can be a border, an object, or whatever. Okay, so that's how to draw lines. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.